Welcome back to the channel. So it's another update on the 200k robot 4 trade Ftmo challenge. As you can see from the title of the video, we did actually manage to pass the phase 1 of the 200k challenge. Today is Sunday the 29th of January and it's 5:54 p.m. Now we did actually manage to get this account over the line on Friday. Now full disclosure, there was actually some manual trades on the Friday just because I really wanted to ensure that we got this account over the line before the weekend, which I did actually manage to do. There has been some manual trading throughout, but overall I would say that the EA took at least 85% of the trades. So what we'll do is we'll quickly go over all of the trades that were taken. Anything that you see is a 10 lot size is a manual trade, and I'll highlight those in a minute, but the rest of them are taken by the Robot 4 trade Sniper EA, which will be linked in the description. But you can see we started this challenge on the 12th of January. We have traded US 100, AUS 200, UK 100 and gold, which you can see all of those there. So I will just scroll through because there has been a lot of trades placed. Now all of these up to this point were taken by the EA. I did close some of the trades manually that were taken by the EA, either because the market was going against us and I decided to just take the loss, or we did manage to get into some profit and I closed those trades as quickly as possible. So because this is a 200k account, the EA is opening trades at a lot size of 5. Now if you are to purchase this EA, there are some rules that you need to follow strictly. And some of these trades what I'm closing is because it's outside of the trading hours and I'm just getting out of the remaining trades. So I'll just keep going through these trades here. Some of the trades have been closed manually at this point, but nothing has been opened manually. The manual trades were later on in the challenge, and you can see some of those there. You can see we did take a good buy there at a 10 lot size, and that left us in a profit of $6,340. So a really good trade there. A sell at a 20 again was a manual trade, and we did manage to close that in profit. Another manual buy on gold, and we did manage to close that one in profit as well. But as I say, most of the trades were taken by the EA, apart from the last day where we did actually take quite a lot of manual trades. As I say, it was a Friday and I was really keen to get the account over the line. So you can see the manual trades that were taken there. We did take 2 sells on gold, one of which left us in just shy of $4,000. And then we took another sell just to finally get the account over the line. As I say, that was the 27th, so Friday, $120. And overall, we did hit the profit target of $20,000. Which means that we have passed phase 1 of our Ftmo challenge. This account I have been trying to pass for a long time, so I'm really happy that we did manage to finally get it over the line. Obviously now we do have to try and pass the verification. In my experience, it is a little bit easier to pass the verification, obviously because of the longer time you have to do so, as well as that you do have to make less profit than you do in phase 1. But saying that, nothing's guaranteed, you never know what's going to happen. So we'll just trade the EA exactly the same as we have throughout the phase 1. And fingers crossed we get the account over the line. So here are the account metrics then. As I say, we started on the 12th of January and we finished on the 27th. We did make some great progress, then we hit the equity protector. We did actually go below our starting balance. Then we took a big trade on gold, which got us right back in it. But overall, you can see, despite the dips on the equity protector, we did have quite a gradual increase. And we did manage to hit the 20k target. If we look at the objectives, minimum of 10 trading days, and we've traded for 12, max daily loss of 10k, and we nearly hit that. So we hit 9,838. Obviously the equity protector is being run, so we only nearly hit that once, and that is when we dipped below here. These other ones I was closing well before the equity protector, simply because I could see where the market was most likely to go, and I decided to just get out and cut my losses, which is the best thing to do sometimes. So only one day did we nearly blow the account, but with the equity protector running, that should never happen. Max loss overall of 20,000 and we hit minus 4,620 and a profit target of 20,000, and as I say, we are up $20,095. So I finally managed to pass a 200k Ftmo challenge. I have passed a couple of Ftmo challenge, but never passed one this big. So I'm really happy to have phase 1 out of the way. If we look at the statistics, we took 950 trades, which is the equivalent of 6,284 lots. A win rate of 67%, average profit of $104 and an average loss of 149. We have a quick look at the daily summary. As I say, we made a great start, and then the 19th is when we hit the equity protector. Took some bigger lot sizes on the 20th and managed to get that loss back. Then on the 23rd, we did take another losing day. And then on the 24th of January, we made $14,000 in one day. So we were right back on target. 25th, we lost 7 again. But you can see that we are closing out here before the equity protector, because most likely those trades are going to go against us and we would end up hitting the equity protector anyway. So sometimes it's best just to take the hit, get out of it. And you can see that is what we did on the 25th and the 23rd as well. But in between those days, we did make some great progress, which means around this time we were on target. And then on the 26th, we made $4,157. So we were nearly over the line. We took another 100 trades on the 27th. As I say, some of those were manual, and we made $7,329, and that got us over the line on Friday. Overall, on the phase one, we were more profitable on sells, so most of our profits come in on sells, $19,203, and then we made some profits on buys, so $892 on buys. Gold being our most profitable, as I say, with those big trades that we took. When we made $14,000 that day, that was mainly on gold. We actually lost money on US 100 as well as UK 100, and then AUS 200 we were up $1,100. Our most profitable lot size were actually the manual trades that we took at 10, so we made $10,000 on those. Biggest lot size was actually at 25, which we were only just up $111 on. Would this account have passed just using the EA? Potentially. As I say, we only traded for 12 days and we did have 20 days in order to try and pass, so potentially we could have just used the EA. But sometimes if there is opportunity to take some manual trades and you are confident and trust your process, then yeah, it is worth a shot sometimes. But as I say, I've been trying to pass this 200k challenge for a long time, so I really was keen to get it over the line. So that is phase one done. I will be using the EA again on phase two, potentially taking some manual trades, but we will have to see what happens. Further down the line, I will definitely just use the EA to take all of the trades, but this is my fourth attempt at trying to pass this 200k account, so obviously I am just really keen to get it done. I will keep you a lot more up to date with the verification stage than I have with phase one. I've just been really busy at the minute. Obviously with the community starting, there is a lot of valuable information in there, and I'm quite busy updating that chat regularly. If you haven't joined the community, I recommend you do so, as I do share regular updates in there. I'm not always able to upload videos to YouTube, but in the community I'm a lot more active. If you do have any questions at all, please just let me know in the comments, and thanks very much for watching.